Hello everyone and welcome back to Food Review Club. I am at Wing Wing, crispy chicken and beer. What a name. I put out a little picture on Instagram and my friend, Mistajam, he doesn't know we're friends, but we are, but trust me, we're best friends. I've never met him, but we're friends. He said we should come and try this. And I said we've got to try the drumsticks, we've got to try the shrimp pan down. So I've got 12 of each. I've got to say, Jess will back me up on this. How good does it smell?
I'm so excited.
Insane. So let me give you a bit of a backstory. I think this place, Wing Wing, has got 2 locations.
Yeah.
Wing Wing. And a little bit of a backstory. We've been to a couple of other places in London recently, my last few reviews, and so I've been not feeling a bit down about it, but they were average at best, you know, not what we're trying to cover on the page. And straight away walked in, it does look a little bit commercial, but I can smell some great flavours. It looks good. It's got great recommendations, and I'm excited. For the first time in a long time on the page, I've got some really exceptional food. Now, all of this, 2 drinks, 12 drumsticks, 12 shrimp. They look really insane. And a portion of chips. Pour them out there so you get a good chip watch.
Chip visuals.
Chip visuals. Thin and crispy, look at that. All this was £39. £39.10, I believe. So straight away, it looks the part. I've got an absolute feast in front of us. And they even come on these army style, I don't know if they're army style, camping, all right, yeah, in the field. What are they called? Bowls.
Bush took a trial.
All right, cool. Let's go for some shrimp first. Now, probably out of everything on display, these are ones that are really singing the nostrils. This has got the garlic soy.
Soy garlic, yeah.
Soy garlic. My mouth is watering thinking about it. Come and have a close look. So we've got some crispy outer coating, a little light, delicate skin. Whoop. And the soy garlic flavour on the outside. Mr. Jam, on your head it is. Here we go. Soy and garlic.
They're really that good?
You could eat them for days. It's like a delicious little seafood snack covered in the most delicious outer coating. It's like this light fluffy batter that just melts in your mouth. Oh my God. The soy keeps giving it sweet, a bit sharp on the garlic. I'm just so happy. Got some decent food on the page. You guys, mate, if you live in London, you might have seen this place. I don't know if you haven't. We walked in. I'm gonna be honest. The food did take a little while to come, and they were a little while serving us. However, the guy inside, cooking in the kitchen, was an absolute delight. Really nice guy. So I'm really sorry. There's only 2 of us in here, so maybe they're short-staffed because of COVID or not. So I'm not gonna hold that against them for this review today. It's only fair. Just take a little while though. Right. Oh my God, it's got a bit of that batter from the shrimp. Incredible. Fries, let's go. This is their own garlic sauce, is that right, Jess?
No, barbecue.
Sorry.
Garlic on the brain.
Oh my God, wow. Asian twist. Fruity, delicious. Great sauce that is. And the chips, kind of like these. Mind your fingers. These fries are exactly the sort of fries you probably want to have with a meal like this. Now, chicken. This is kind of where it gets exciting. There you go. They come in 3 or 4 different flavours. I think it's licorice, hot sauce, the soy again. Is that right? And sriracha maybe?
Yeah, and then there was a mix.
And there was a mix. We got the mix. So in these 2 trays, I've got a mixture of different flavours. Amazing. Let's just go and dive in. So like also, drumsticks on the menu. Not something you normally see advertised as a speciality. Normally thighs, burgers, wings, really popular at the moment, but drumsticks, come have a look. It's like kind of like their special, like a low that's a big drumstick.
Is it Korean?
I'm not sure.
I think it is Korean.
All right, let's dive in. I'm not sure if this is the side.
It's
Is it? I'm not
mix,
sure.
isn't it? Oh. So you get a mix of all different ones?
I think that's the way. Oh, look at that. Absolutely. Ah, that's the hot one. That's amazing. Come have a look here. Look at the crispy, delicious outer coating. Oh my God, look at that. That is absolutely stunning. Drumstick. Only time you'd ever purposely order a drumstick is at a barbecue. That's the sort of drumstick I want to eat every single part of. The skin is so delicious. I literally want to get every part of it off. Should we try another flavour? This one looks a bit lighter. Let's look at it. Oi, oi, oi. Drumstick porn. Wow. Licorice.
Really? What's that like?
I hate licorice. That is delicious.
Really?
It's like sweet. It's like licorice sweets were made to be on chicken.
You don't like licorice?
No, it's too aggressive. Do you like licorice?
Yes.
We've got a bit of sriracha here as well. This is just Mistajam. Thank you so much. Not only is Global Capital Dance from Global killing the airwaves, you're also killing the food game because you've lifted my spirits. We came out the last few reviews pretty down in the dumps. I don't like broadcasting, showing poor food, and it is an absolute blessing to get some rustic, cool, new food on the page. Wing, crispy chicken and beer. What an absolute treat. There's one more I want to try, this really dark one. Once I kind of wrap it up, that's a sweet one.
Soy garlic.
This is nuts. If you don't believe me, order some. Wow. Big letdown, however, was the drink game. I like Diet Coke. However, it looks like they had loads of other good. That's got a kick. It's like they've got loads of other good drinks that they're not currently serving because of the pandemic. However, Diet Coke is going to save the day. Right, what sort of score are we going to give this? I think this is really cool. Serving shrimps. Tell you what. Woo. Serving shrimps. Such a delicate batter with trays of drumsticks covered in the nicest, crispiest batter. It's an absolute vibe and I love it. I'm gonna give this a score. My nose is running now. I'm gonna give this a score. I'm gonna sit this just underneath the 9s, but it's gonna be an 8.6 with absolute credit. Like, I love it. If I was at home feeling down in the dumps, need a little pick me up, jump on Deliveroo, get some of these delivered to your house, you're gonna smash these in the way that you used to smash KFC in before it was shit. Thanks for watching, everyone. My mouth's on fire. If you like spice, get the hot ones. That has got a kick. Thanks for watching, everyone. I love you all. Please give this video a like, a share. If you're watching on YouTube, please hit, the subscribe button. And that was a review.